In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to payroll QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know how to record a payroll expense in QuickBooks Online so it's categorized correctly and shows up accurately in your reports. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and heading to the expenses area. This brings up the expense form where you'll capture the details of what was paid. On the form, click into the payee field and select the person or entity you paid for payroll. If you don't see them right away, use the search to find the correct payee. Choosing the right payee helps your vendor and employee lists stay clean and ensures future filters and reports are meaningful. Next, set where the money came from. Open the payment account or payment method drop down and choose the account used for this payout. In this walkthrough, we'll pick cash, but you should choose the bank, credit card, or cash account that actually funded the payment. Getting this right affects your bank balances and helps with reconciliation later. Now, assign the correct category so the expense lands in the right place on your profit and loss. In the category details section, click the category field, start typing payroll, and select payroll expenses when it appears. Typing a few letters is the fastest way to find the account, and selecting payroll expenses keeps labor costs grouped properly for analysis and tax time. Add a clear description in the memo or description field to provide context, such as the pay period or a brief note like weekly payroll. This small detail pays off when you're scanning transactions or answering questions during month-end review. If you need to reference a specific internal note or identifier, this is a good place to include it. If you handle several similar payroll expenses, take advantage of the copy option on the form. Clicking copy creates a duplicate of the current expense, so you can quickly reuse the same setup and just adjust what's different, like the payee or the amount. It's a simple way to stay consistent and save time without re-entering the same details. Before you wrap up, take a quick moment to confirm the date, payment account, category, and memo all look right. A final glance prevents most bookkeeping cleanups later. When everything checks out, select Save and Close. That posts the payroll expense to your books and returns you to your list where you can continue with any remaining entries. That's it. You've recorded a payroll expense in QuickBooks Online, categorized it to payroll expenses, and learned a fast way to duplicate similar transactions with copy. Thanks for watching, and keep your books current by following these same steps